Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about things that make women more attractive. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video so you don't miss any of our awesome videos. Women's attractiveness is a multifaceted phenomenon influenced by various factors such as physical appearance, personality, behavior, and societal perceptions. While beauty is subjective and varies across cultures and personal preferences, there are certain aspects that generally contribute to a woman's attractiveness. It's important to remember that everyone is beautiful in their own way, and these factors are not absolute or universal. They serve as general guidelines and not definitive rules. In this video, we will explore 12 things that can make a woman more attractive, delving into both physical traits and personality characteristics that can enhance her allure. Let's dive in. Number 1. A good skincare routine. Taking care of your skin is a fundamental aspect of grooming that can significantly enhance your overall appearance and contribute to your attractiveness. A good skincare routine keeps your skin clean, moisturized, and glowing, which can make you look healthier and more vibrant. It also helps in maintaining a youthful complexion by preventing premature aging and minimizing the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. A consistent skincare regimen that includes cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from the sun, as harmful rays can help you achieve and maintain attractive skin. Additionally, exfoliating your skin regularly can help remove dead skin cells and reveal a smoother, brighter complexion. Remember to choose skincare products that suit your skin type and consult with a dermatologist. If you have any specific skin concerns or require personalized advice, by investing time and effort into your skincare routine, can enhance your natural beauty and boost your confidence, which can be an attractive quality in itself. Number 2, well-maintained hair. Your hair plays a crucial role in your overall appearance and can greatly influence how others perceive you. Well-maintained, shiny, and healthy-looking hair can frame your face beautifully and enhance your natural features. It can make you look and feel more polished and attractive. Regular trims to avoid split ends and keep your hair in good condition are essential. Choose a hairstyle that complements your face shape and personal style. Whether it's a sleek and sophisticated look or something more relaxed and casual, find what suits you best and makes you feel confident and attractive. Remember, well-groomed hair is a timeless and universally attractive quality. Number 3, well-groomed brows. Maintaining well-groomed eyebrows can make a significant difference in enhancing your attractiveness. Perfectly shaped eyebrows can frame your face, accentuate your eyes, and create a polished appearance. By keeping your brows clean, neat, and in a flattering shape, you can define your facial features and make them more prominent. Fill in sparse areas to create a balanced and symmetrical look. You can use eyebrow pencils, powders, or gels that match your natural brow color to achieve this. Remember not to overdo it, as natural-looking eyebrows are generally more appealing. Consulting with a professional for eyebrow shaping and tinting can help you find the perfect shape and color for your brows. Well-groomed eyebrows can make a striking difference to your overall appearance, adding to your allure and charm. Number 4, flawless makeup. Natural look preferred. While makeup is a matter of personal choice, wearing a flawless makeup look can enhance your natural features and contribute to your attractiveness. A light foundation or BB cream can even out your skin tone, providing a smooth and radiant complexion. Mascara can define your eyes, making them appear larger and more expressive. Subtle eyeliner and eyeshadow can add depth and dimension to your gaze. A natural lip color or gloss can add a touch of freshness to your face. When it comes to makeup, the key is to enhance your natural beauty without going overboard. A natural makeup look is generally more appealing as it accentuates your features, while still allowing your natural beauty to shine through. Remember, confidence is the best accessory you can wear. So embrace your unique features and use makeup to complement, not conceal. Number 5, oral hygiene and fresh breath. Taking care of your oral hygiene is not only essential for your dental health, but also for your overall attractiveness. Brushing your teeth regularly removes bacteria and keeps your breath fresh, preventing bad breath. Flossing helps remove plaque and food particles between your teeth, giving you clean-looking teeth and gums. Using mouthwash can help kill bacteria and reduce the risk of gum diseases, It also leaves your mouth feeling clean and confident. Whitening your teeth if necessary can give you a brighter smile, which can be an attractive trait. Remember to visit your dentist regularly for checkups and professional cleaning. Taking care of your oral hygiene shows that you value your health, and it can make a lasting impression on those you meet. A healthy and attractive smile is a wonderful asset. Number 6. Well-groomed nails. Keeping your nails clean. Trimmed and polished is an important aspect of personal grooming that can enhance your overall attractiveness. Clean and well-maintained nails give you a polished appearance and can make you look more put together. Regularly trimming your nails prevents them from becoming too long or overgrown, which can make you look neater and more hygienic. If you choose to wear nail polish, opt for a color that complements your skin tone and personal style. However, it's not mandatory to wear polish. Natural nails that are well-groomed and cared for can be just as attractive. Don't forget to moisturize your hands and nails to keep them hydrated and prevent dryness or riddleness. Remember, well-groomed nails are a small but significant detail that can make a lasting impression. Number 7. Body care and hair removal. Taking care of your body is an essential aspect of grooming that can significantly enhance your attractiveness. Regular exfoliation and moisturizing can leave your skin soft, smooth, and glowing. This not only makes you look and feel great, but also boosts your confidence. Hair removal methods such as waxing, shaving, or laser hair removal are personal choices that can enhance your appearance by minimizing unwanted hair growth. Maintaining a neat and groomed body can make you more attractive by giving you a polished and put-together look. Choose hair removal methods that suit you best and keep your body feeling fresh and confident. Remember, taking care of your body is an act of self-love, and it can make a significant difference in how you present yourself to the world. Number 8. Fragrance. Wearing a pleasant-smelling fragrance can enhance your appeal and make you more attractive. A light and subtle perfume can leave a lasting impression on those you meet, making you more memorable and attractive. Choose a fragrance that suits your personality and complements your natural body odor. Test different perfumes to find one that you like and that fits your taste. Remember that less is often more when it comes to fragrance. A light, airy scent can be more appealing than a strong, overpowering one. Find a signature scent that you love and enjoy the confidence it brings you. Pleasant fragrance is a subtle yet effective way to enhance your attractiveness. Number 9. Posture and body language. Standing tall with good posture makes you look confident and attractive. It conveys self-assurance and opens up your chest, making you appear more approachable and friendly. Practicing good posture not only improves your appearance but also boosts your confidence and self-esteem. Smiling genuinely is another important aspect of body language that can make you more attractive. A warm and inviting smile can make you more approachable and likable. It conveys happiness and positivity, making others feel comfortable around you. A genuine smile can also make you appear more attractive by displaying your pearly whites and creating dimples. Practice smiling often and be mindful of your body language, as it can significantly impact how others perceive you. Number 10. Wardrobe choices. The clothes you wear can have a big impact on how you look and how others see you. Wearing clothes that fit well, look good, and make you feel confident can really make you stand out. Choose clothes in colors and styles that flatter your figure and skin tone. A well-put-together outfit shows that you care about how you look and that you're interested in the people around you. It also shows your personality and makes a good first impression, whether it's a casual, chic, or formal look. Finding your personal style can help you look and feel your best. Remember, the clothes you wear say a lot about you, so choose them wisely. Number 11. Healthy lifestyle. Living a healthy lifestyle is not only beneficial for your overall well-being, but can also make you more attractive. Staying hydrated keeps your skin looking fresh and youthful. Drinking plenty of water helps flush toxins from your body and improves your complexion. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential nutrients that contribute to healthy skin, hair, and nails. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy body weight, improves blood circulation, and enhances your mood. It also gives you a sense of well-being and confidence. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining healthy and attractive skin. It allows your body to repair and rejuvenate, reducing the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to help your body and skin stay refreshed and revitalized. In conclusion, living a healthy lifestyle can significantly enhance your attractiveness by improving your physical appearance and overall well-being. Number 12. Confidence and self-care. Confidence and self-care are powerful qualities that can make a woman incredibly attractive. When a woman is confident in herself, she carries herself with grace and poise, which is undeniably alluring. Self-care is equally important, as it shows that she values herself and takes care of her physical and mental well-being. When a woman takes the time to groom herself and enhance her appearance, it demonstrates that she pays attention to detail and takes pride in her presentation. Whether it's through a well-chosen outfit, perfectly applied makeup, or a neat and tidy hairstyle, these efforts contribute to her overall attractiveness. Furthermore, confidence and self-care often go hand in hand. By taking care of herself, a woman becomes more confident in her own skin. She knows her worth and is comfortable in her own company. This self-assurance radiates from her and is magnetic to those around her. A woman who embraces her unique qualities and takes pride in herself is truly attractive, both to herself and to others. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.